Have you ever bought a projector, turned on the lights, and suddenly realized the picture almost disappeared? That's exactly where most projectors fail. But the JMGO N1S Ultimate promises something completely different, a true 4K triple laser projector that claims to stay bright even during the day. So, is it actually worth the premium price? I've gone through everything, and here's what you really need to know. The very first thing that grabs your attention is the brightness. This projector pumps out an impressive 3,300 ISO lumens, and honestly, that's one of its biggest strengths. Instead of waiting until nighttime, you can actually enjoy movies, sports, or gaming in rooms with plenty of natural light. The image stays colorful, sharp, and surprisingly punchy. Outdoors, it becomes even more impressive once the sun starts going down. But brightness alone doesn't make a projector great. The N1S Ultimate uses a triple laser light engine with true 4K resolution, and that's where the magic starts. Colors look incredibly rich without feeling overdone. Reds pop, blues look deep, and skin tones stay natural instead of looking artificial. With excellent color accuracy, a massive Rec 2020 color range, and strong contrast, movies feel much closer to what you'd expect from a premium TV than a traditional projector. One feature I absolutely love is the built-in gimbal design. Instead of stacking books under the projector or fighting with awkward stands, you simply tilt it exactly where you want. Need to project on a bedroom ceiling? Done. Want to move from the living room to the backyard? No problem. It rotates almost anywhere with almost no effort, making it one of the easiest projectors to position. Even better, setup barely feels like setup. The projector automatically focuses itself, fixes the image shape, adjusts to different wall colors, fits your screen, and even avoids objects on the wall. You don't spend 10 minutes tweaking settings every time you move it. Within seconds, you're ready to start watching. Entertainment is just as simple. Google TV comes built in, along with certified Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and thousands of other apps. Everything feels familiar, responsive, and easy to navigate. Voice control through Google Assistant is another nice bonus, especially if you don't want to keep searching with the remote. Now let's talk about sound. Most projectors have speakers that are good enough for emergencies. This one is different. The built-in speakers produce surprisingly full audio with solid bass, clear dialogue, and enough volume to comfortably fill a family room. If you're hosting movie night or watching sports, you may not even feel the need for external speakers. Of course, adding a dedicated surround system still creates a more cinematic experience, but for everyday use, these speakers perform far better than expected. Now, is everything perfect? Not quite. For a projector at this price, it's disappointing that Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Filmmaker Mode, and IMAX Enhanced aren't supported. HDR10 content still looks excellent, but if you're someone who specifically wants every premium HDR format available, this is one area where some competitors offer a little more. There's also no optical zoom. Digital zoom works well enough, but optical zoom would have given more flexibility without sacrificing image quality. Gamers should know that casual gaming feels great thanks to low enough input lag, but highly competitive players may still prefer a dedicated gaming display with even faster response times. Another thing worth mentioning is that because this is a single-chip DLP laser projector, some viewers who are sensitive to rainbow effects might occasionally notice them. Not everyone sees it, but it's something to be aware of before buying. On the positive side, the projector stays remarkably quiet. Even during long movie sessions, fan noise barely draws attention. That's something you genuinely appreciate after living with cheaper projectors that constantly remind you they're running. Portability is another surprise. Despite delivering flagship performance, it weighs under 10 pounds and even includes a carrying case. That means you can easily move it between rooms or take it outside without feeling like you're transporting home theater equipment. After spending time looking at everything this projector offers, it's easy to understand why so many owners love it. The combination of incredible brightness, gorgeous laser colors, automatic setup, flexible positioning, built-in streaming, and surprisingly capable speakers creates an experience that's incredibly convenient without sacrificing picture quality. Yes, I wish Dolby Vision support had been included. I also would have liked optical zoom, but those compromises become much smaller once you actually see the image this projector produces. If your goal is replacing your TV with a massive cinematic display that works day or night, the JMGO N1S Ultimate absolutely delivers. It's bright enough for real-world living rooms, portable enough to use almost anywhere, and smart enough that anyone can set it up in minutes. For anyone building a premium home theater without the hassle of traditional projector installations, this is one of the easiest recommendations to make. If you want one projector that can handle movies, streaming, sports, gaming, outdoor movie nights, and even ceiling projection without making your life complicated, the JMGO N1S Ultimate is a seriously impressive choice.